Hey everybody, just got a request from a YouTuber today. He says that the spring on his carburetor for his snowblower motor is broken down here. So when he moves this, it doesn't go back by itself. There's a little wee spring inside here, as you can see. Right here where my pick is, it's lodged in over here on the carb, and the other part of the spring is up here. So if you have a problem that your butterfly won't return, make sure that the spring is connected up here and down here. Sometimes what happens is the spring gets dislodged like that. The other end is going to be on the other side like that, or it could be dislodged over here. Now if it's dislodged on this side, you can grab it with a small pair of needle nose pliers and bring it over to the other side like this, and then lodge it back where it should be. And it's the same up here. If it's dislodged from here, just wind it back and hook it up here. Now what can happen sometimes is the spring is broken right in the center. That means that you're going to have to remove the butterfly and this mechanism to replace the spring. Now you can mark the butterfly so that you put it in the exact same position. And that's going to come out. And now you can pull straight up and all that's going to come out. Now if your spring was broken, you would just remove it. And once you've got that spring out, get a new spring and put it back on. For this video, I'm just going to put back the spring on because it's not broken. It's totally for educational purposes. Now you need to grab your spring, grab the side of the spring with the smaller hook, insert it toward the top, and you need to lock it in right here. Now insert the whole arm on top here. Put the other side of the spring toward the screw here on this side here. Right down there, and this side of the mechanism has to be on the opposite side of the screw on the carb, and then push it down. So you want this part here, that side, and the spring on the side of the screw. At this point here, just hold it with your finger so it doesn't come off. Now put the little flap back in, or the butterfly, line it up with the hole. Now put the torque screw at the end of your torque screwdriver, line up the holes here, and put it in. Now it doesn't hurt to put a bit of Loctite on that screw because it vibrates a lot. And before you tighten it all the way down, you want to make sure that the butterfly is in evenly. You don't want a big gap on that side and no gap on that side either. So if you've tightened it up and you notice it's not even, you can always loosen it, move it around a bit, and then retighten it. What happens is if the butterfly doesn't shut properly, it may be hard to adjust the idle screw right here. Now try it out and make sure it goes back. And there's no restrictions, so that's good. That's all you need to do. So if that spring's broken, it could run up and down your blower. It may be really hard to get it to run evenly. So thanks again for watching, and I'll see you next time.